Hey, campers. Welcome to 2025 AP Camper, the ultimate channel for everything you need to know about camping, road trips, and living the RV dream. Whether you're a weekend warrior or full-time traveler, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's explore the latest in the world of campers. Today, we're diving into the camper of the future, the all-new 2025 camper model name. Packed with smart features, innovative design, and eco-friendly tech, this camper is redefining the way we explore the great outdoors. Stick around as we tour its features, test it out in the wild, and share my honest thoughts. Plus, I've got a special tip for finding the best campsites in 2025, so don't go anywhere. Let's start with the exterior. The camper model name comes with solar-powered panels, an aerodynamic design, and all-terrain tires for any adventure. And check out this automatic awning, perfect for quick setups. Inside, it's a game-changer, a smart kitchen with voice-controlled appliances, a modular seating area that converts into a king-size bed, and a compact bathroom with a built-in water filtration system. What more could you ask for? To really test the camper model name, I took it on a weekend trip to name of location. It handled rough terrain like a champ, and setup was a breeze. Plus, I tried cooking my favorite camping meal using the built-in induction stove, super convenient and energy efficient. Before we wrap up, here's my pro tip: check out website/app name, an amazing tool to discover hidden gem campsites that are eco-friendly and crowd-free. Perfect for your next adventure. So, what do you think about the camper model name? Is it your dream camper for 2025? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to 2025 AP Camper, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy camping!